close to me, 'cause I know she breaks so easily.
How? Ano ang sa inyo? Natamimi kayo, ano?
Magandang araw mga idol, kumusta po yung lahat? It's me, Dugong Pinoy, nagbabalik po mga idol. So, shout out sa ating mga lodi natin dyan na nakaabang sa ating video. So, for today's video mga idol ay magre-react po tayo dito sa ating pag-unakitang video. So, ang kanyang title, Biloy Asis, There's No AC Way. So, ang may-ari ng video mga idol, si Asis Family Entertainment. So, ito, narinig ko to konti mga idol, pero napaka-amaze talaga. So, titingnan natin kung kayo ay ma-amaze ba dito, ma-appreciate nyo ba ang kanyang boses. Okay, let's go mga idol. At magre-react po tayo dito after nating mapanood ang video. Let's go mga idol. Pero sa mga bago natin dyan, palike and subscribe naman mga idol para mas dumami pa ang ating subscriber dyan. Okay, let's go mga idol. Ayan, si Kuya Biloy Asis. Nasa bahay lang si Kuya.
I held her close to me, 'cause I know she breaks so easily. And then I told her, but I knew no matter how I tried to console her, she just knew the best she could. But there are times the best is know that nothing, and no matter how you try to be kind, there's always still a part of you you leave behind. When it falls apart, there's no easy way to break somebody's heart.
Lapit! Grabe ka naman Kuya.
I lied, told her she'll be fine, though we both knew it was just a lie. I had to do it, 'cause I'd sooner than later we get through it. And she reached out for my hand, and a simple touch was more than I could stand. And I had to turn away, 'cause I knew all the hurt that she was feeling, I was feeling too. 'Cause when it falls apart, there's no easy way to break somebody's heart. She could have gotten angry and made me feel like a guilty child, but I realized that never was her style.
My God.
I wanted her to hurt me and not to treat me like a thing.
Minute.
I wanted her to say to me someday I can crawl in on my knees to answer back again. But she acted like a lady tell me. Oh, the lady, I thought that she'd break down, but she smiled at me and never made a sound. And I guess she understood in a way, 'cause her silence told me everything she could not say. When it falls apart, well, there's just no easy way. There's just no easy way. There's no easy way to break somebody's heart.
Ang lupit, Lodi. Talaga namang ang pangis ni Kuya. Kung titingnan mo, parang hindi siya nangangantahay, guys, no? Pero nung kumanta mga idol, buong-buo yung boses, ang ganda yung diction niya, ang ganda yung timing niya. Talagang kabisado ang kanyang pinanta. So, para sa akin, bibigay ko number dito. Number 9 yan. No? Napaka-loaded talaga. So, ito, si sikat ito idol, si Piloy, ang ating idol natin. So, supportahan po natin ang YouTube channel ng may-ari ng kanta mga idol, si Asis Biloy o Asis Family Entertainment. So, supportan natin. So, kung nagustuhan nyo ang kantang yun at nagustuhan nyo kanyang boses, please, supportan nyo mga idol ang kanilang YouTube channel, ang Asis Family Entertainment. At please naman po, kung nagustuhan nyo ang aking reaction, well mga idol, pwede ba makahingi ng isang like, subscribe at pakishare na rin mga idol. So, hanggang dito na lang ako dahil kayo din po mga idol ay masasabi ko, pag may dugong Pinoy, talaga namang malupit yan. Maraming salamat mga idol.